NBC's Pete Williams is in our Washington bureau with the latest. Pete, fill us in.
Well, the Justice Department just disclosed that it gave the White House legal advice before Matt Whitaker was appointed by the White House that the president could choose such a person to take over as acting attorney general. The Whitaker appointment, as you know, has been criticized on a number of grounds. There's a legal challenge now from the state of Maryland saying that it violates a federal law and the Constitution because Whitaker was not in a Senate-confirmed position, and the Constitution requires that for senior officials. But in a 20-page written legal opinion that's just out from the Justice Department and dated today, the head of the Justice Department's Office of Legal Counsel, which provides formal legal advice for the government, says that the appointment was entirely legal, that it's consistent with past practice, that over 160 times throughout history, presidents have appointed people who were not in Senate-confirmed positions to senior jobs in the government, including cabinet-level positions. They note that President George W. Bush and Barack Obama did it, and they say that the White House was told beforehand, that the White House basically asked the Justice Department what are the president's options, and that the Justice Department gave the advice, according to this opinion, that the president could designate a senior Department of Justice official, such as Mr. Whitaker, as acting attorney general. So the government is saying here that the Justice Department is saying that this appointment is entirely legal, it's entirely constitutional, it's consistent with past practice, and that the White House was told this in advance, Hallie.
And Pete, this is coming as we understand that Whitaker is also talking with folks at the Justice Department about the possibility of recusal and the options there, correct?
Well, what the Justice Department said is that he will seek the advice of the Justice Department's ethics offices about whether he has any conflicts or recusal obligations. They didn't explicitly say involving the Mueller investigation, but you can be sure that will be a big one.
Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Why don't you subscribe? It's really easy. Just click on that button down there. And for more news from MSNBC, click on any of these videos here for the latest interviews and highlights. You can get more videos from MSNBC with our newsletters. Head over to msnbc.com/newsletters to sign up.